Hey, it's Alex, the founder and CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. It's 2019 and it is Sema. We're in the Ford booth to take a close-up look at the 2019 Ford Ranger Super Crew built by Tjin Edition. We got a chance to have a quick chat with Tjin. All right, we're here with Tjin and his Tjin Edition Ranger. Neil, tell us a little bit about what inspired the build this year.
What inspires all my builds? No, to be different. We, as you guys know, we've been building for Ford since 2009. This is our third truck, and we wanted to literally be different. I mean, last year there were 6 or 7, all went up. This year there's 4 more. So right now it's on ride height, but we're the first new model Ranger to be on full air suspension. So we work with Airlift and the guys Unique Fabrication, and it's almost 10 inches of travel. So we just, like I said, wanted to do something unique, and same thing with the color. You know, just make it stand out and kind of do what we always do. Yeah, and is there a name for the color or color code on that? Because I know people are going to love this yellow. Yeah, I'll actually give my younger brother Tjin credit. We did a Focus RS and a Civic a couple years ago. So we worked with BSF. He found a custom color, mixed it up. Out in SoCal, we mixed it up, and this is our third project with this color. We wanted something bright, something, we love solids, as you know, so there's no metallic, no pearls. But I think it goes with the theme of the truck. Kind of old school, mini school, lowrider, new school, all kind of combined. Awesome. Besides the suspension, what other major mods would you mention on this? Yeah, so as we said, it's a new Ranger, just came out last year. Basically everything we've done, from the bare big brakes, we're the first Ranger. We had to make brackets at the shop, all new brake lines to fit the caliper. So 6-piston front, 6-piston rear, full functional. You'll see the details. My son Colin actually is big into clothing, so Bathing Ape was an inspiration. He actually designed the calipers, so they're hydro dipped, half purple camo, half blue camo, airbrushed faces, yellow logo. So it's like a 4-step process. Same thing also, it's wide body with RTR flares. So compared to the ones that went up, we trimmed 4 inches off the flares. Rotor form, built a 22 by 10, 22 by 11 in the rear, Falcon 265/40s in the front, and 285/40s in the rear. So suspension was a big thing with Airlift. Getting it, it's almost 10 inches of travel. Was big, all new 4-link, all new arms. Basically the whole suspension is brand new. And then of course the brakes, wheel tire combos, you know, so when it sits down, perfect fitment, perfect camber. So that was a big part. And then working with Vaughn and his team at RTR, like the Mustang last year, we got the flares about a week ago. He added some prototypes that we test fitted, made sure that the wheels fit. Rotiform came out to build the wheels. Falcon sent some guys to make sure the tires worked. But anything with a new car kind of takes that. So guess you can say a little bit of everything, you know, but it is what it is. You know, that's well, and it looks great, and it is the life of a Sema builder, man. You always do a great job. Where can people learn more about the Tjin Edition Roadshow? Yeah, so our social, usually Facebook, Instagram, just Tjin Edition, and then also our website, which is just TjinEditionRoadshow.com. And we appreciate the support, and thanks for everything you guys do. Absolutely, and of course you can also find all of the details about all of Neil's builds at Motoroso.com. That's all we've got for this short video, but if you want all the details on this project build and all the other builds in the Ford Sema booth, go to Motoroso.com/FordSema2019. When you're ready to shop for your project vehicles, go to Motoroso.com, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for all of our future videos and Sema coverage.